Hello students, myself Arvind Negi. Today we are taking electricity from class 10th. So first of all, we'll know the topics, what are the contents in it. So first of all, we'll talk about electric charge, then we'll come to electric current, and then finally we will go to Ohm's law and so on. Okay, so today we are taking the topic electric charge. Now basically, what is electric charge? So electric charge, you can consider it as a basic property of matter. And what can it cause? An electric charge can cause repulsion or attraction in any other charged or uncharged body. Fine. So this is electric charge. Now the denotion, as you know, physics especially contains the formula and the numericals. Okay, so denotion. Now the electric charge, you can denote it by small or capital Q. This is the denotion for electric charge. SI unit of electric charge is Coulomb. You can denote it by capital C also. Now the types of charges, main topic is the types of charges. So we have basically two types of charges. One is positive charge and the other one is negative charge. In the previous classes, you may have read about the properties of these charges, positive charge and negative charge. So the basic property is, as you know very well, that the unlike charges, they do attract each other, and the same charges, they do repel each other. Now suppose I want to explain this through a figure. Now say these are two charges of the same integral sign. Say two positive charges, so they will obviously repel each other. Similar way, second case, we have two negative charges, they will also repel each other. As I told you before, that similar charges, they do repel each other. So these are the two similar positive charges, they will repel each other. Similarly here, they are two similar negative charges, so they do repel. Now for the next part, if we have one positive charge and the other one as negative charge, say this is positive charge and this one is negative charge. So what you are seeing, they will attract each other as the charges are quite different from each other. One is positive and the other one is negative. Now what about neutral charges? Have you heard about these word neutral charges? Neutral charges means the charges which have equal amount of protons and neutrons, electrons. Proton and neutrons are equal, so protons is equals to electrons. Now neutral charges means there would be no charge contained in the body. Now we'll talk about electric current. So what could be the definition of electric current and how it is related with electric charge? So definition of electric current is rate of charge flowing in a conductor. So how much the amount of charge is flowing in a conductor for per unit time. Okay, so formula is like this. Electric current is denoted by capital I. So capital I is equals to number of charge flowing, so capital Q, divided by time, the rate. So this one is the formula for electric current, is equals to electric charge divided by time taken. Now SI unit of current is, from this we can derive it and we can know the SI unit of electric current is Ampere. Now from this formula, if we write 1 Ampere is equals to, what was the SI unit of electric charge? It was Coulomb. So you can write it as 1 Coulomb, and the SI unit of for time, it is 1 second. So this way also we can define the current. Now if we say that what is 1 Ampere of current, so you will say that 1 Coulomb of charge is flowing in a conductor for 1 second of time. So 1 ampere of current flows through it. Now SI unit is ampere. Now there are few other units also. Let us say small m, capital A. This is known as milliampere, which means 10 raised to the power minus 3 of ampere. 10 raised to the power minus 3 means 0.001 of ampere. Now similarly, there is microampere. For even more smaller currents, we use this unit, 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Okay, so you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 amperes. Now for the measurement part, how do we measure the electric current? As you know, the distance can be measured by the instrument odometer. Speed can be measured by speedometer. So we have an instrument particularly used for measuring the electric current, that is known as ammeter. Now we'll do one numerical based on this. Now as you can see, this is the numerical. So 10 ampere of current is flowing in a conductor. So what is given? Current is given as 10 amperes for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is obviously the time taken. So T is equals to 10 minutes. As we know, we have to put the SI units wherever we have to use any formula in physics. So, okay. So ampere is the SI unit, as I told you before in this video, and this one is minutes. So as you know, SI unit of time is second. So need to convert into seconds, multiply that by 60. So it becomes 600 seconds. Fine. Now calculate the charge contained. So we have a formula, we have a relation between current and the charge. So we have I is equals to Q by T. Okay. So instead of I, we will write 10 Q we need to find and divided by the time taken. So it is 600. Now Q becomes, after cross multiplying, we get 6000, and what is the SI unit? It is coulombs. So this way we can get the charge contained. So this is the relation between I and Q. That's all for today. Thank you.